Hi again. Now, I showed you how to put together. When you need to tear it down and put it away, you're going to do the opposite. Just loosen this here so that you can get this out. And that can go right back in the bag. Keep loosening this so you can pull these up. So you're going to loosen this one. Take this top part out. Then loosen the wing nut here. And fold it over. And that part's ready to go in the bag. Then, right here with the wing nut. And push the feet back in. Watch fingers. The pad goes in the front of the bag, where we showed you before. And the feet, I tend to put in first. Doesn't really matter. As you can see, there's plenty of room in the bag here. It's for carrying to school or grandma's house. You can put your book in there, your sticks. Goes in the front. Hooks here. They put all the parts in here. And it has pads on that straps like a backpack. So you'll be all set.